Hey everybody, how you doing? Mike Locascio here. I want to give you 5 tips on a better running computer. I want to get that computer running better and operating better and faster. Then listen to my tips. We going to get started right away. Tip number 1, update all your Windows updates. If you're on Windows 10, go to Windows Updates, type in the search on the bottom, Windows Updates, and click on Update My Windows 10, and then set it to automatic. That way you'll be notified when you get more updates. Windows updates are important, and they will help your computer run better and be more secure. The second tip, clean your Windows Chrome history browser. On Chrome history, what happens is as you're surfing the internet, you're accumulating a lot of files. So when you accumulate a lot of files, what happens is your computer will start slowing down, your browser will slow down. So you want to clean your Chrome browser out, and this is how you do it. You go open up your Chrome, double click, go into the upper right hand corner of your browser, and you'll see 3 little dots in the right hand corner. Click that, click where it says history. Hey Blood, it's my man Blood. All right, appreciate you being here, my friend. And Sarah, also, when you click on clear browsing data after you click on history, okay, then you hold your Control A key at the same time, and you'll be highlighting some of them. Click the delete key on your keyboard and do that until all the browsing history is gone. These companies are keeping track of where you go online, and you don't want to do that. You don't want to let them do that, and it's slowing down your computer. Hey, Blood, great to see you. I'm just doing my quick live stream this morning, giving some computer tips to help everybody out. And if everybody, make sure you check out Blood's live chats. He gets a lot of people in there. He helps a lot of users. So make sure you check him out for sure. He's got a very big following. So if you want to grow, make sure you check his channel out. So step number 3 is what we're going to do is we're going to get a program. It's called Malwarebytes free version. Okay. You can get that at download.com. Or you can go to ninite.com, download that for the version that says for Windows 10, and it's called Malwarebytes free version. And that's spelled Malwarebytes. Make sure you get the one for Windows 10 or the one for Windows 7, whatever operating system you have. Download it, install it, run it, it will update. After it updates, do a scan. It will find a lot of junk on your computer, and it will prompt you at the end to clean it. Oh, cool, bro, cool. And after you do that, you may have to restart your computer for everything to take effect. So do that. Tip number 4. You want to get rid of unwanted programs on your computer that you don't need and don't use. If your hard drive has less things on it, your computer's going to run better, and it's going to run faster, and you'll have less problems. So what you need to do is you need to go into the control panel, double click on uninstall programs or programs and features, depending on what version of Windows 10 you have. Open that up, and you'll see all your different programs in alphabetical order from the top to the bottom. Go through each one and decide if you don't use it or if you don't want the program. And also, if it's a toolbar, it's going to mess up your computer, and that's why things are not working right for you. Highlight it, go to the top, hit uninstall, give it a few seconds, and then go to the next one. If you're not sure what it is, then leave it alone. But if it's a toolbar, if it's a game that you don't use, or some spam that got on there, some malware, junk, get rid of it one at a time, then close that out, and then you're done with that. Tip number 5. You got to clean your hard disk. And in order to clean your hard drive, there's a scan disk that you can do that scans your hard drive and also will clean up a lot of unnecessary files you have. So in order to get the scan disk, you're going to go to File Explorer, start File Explorer, this PC. When you see your hard drive, highlight the C drive, right click it, click Properties on the bottom of that menu, and then you'll see Scan Disk come up. Click Scan Disk, and also delete system file. You'll get a message that asks you if you want to delete system files. You click yes, you run Scan Disk. Once it's all populated and it comes up with all the files that you can get rid of, what you do after that is you hit OK, you delete all these files. It's safe to delete. They're all temporary files that you got on the internet. After that's done, go right below that. It says Optimize Drive and Defragmentation. Click that. Go to your C drive. That's where your Windows operating system is. Highlight that. Double click it, and then just wait until it's all done. It's going to put all your files back. All the programs and files that you normally use on your computer are scattered all over your hard drive. When you do this, this puts them all back in the center of the drive, so the right read arm that moves in your hard drive can easily find your files, and your computer's going to run better because it doesn't have to search all over your hard drive for the files. So that's tip number 5. I'm going to give you an extra bonus tip. Tip number 6. Make sure you have a good antivirus and have the definition files, because the antivirus is useless unless you have the definition files. Those are the files that protect you against viruses. If you don't have an antivirus or you have a trial version, go into your hard drive again, highlight it, and uninstall the trial version before you get a new one, and then go to avast.com. It's spelled A-V-A-S-T, free version for Windows 10. Download, install that, and run a scan. It's totally free for life. All you got to do is click Run a Scan. It'll update it, and it will check your whole computer for problems. If any of these tips helped you, please share my video, and also tell your friends and your family to do the same thing. And if you want to help anybody online, please let them watch this video step by step. They can clean up their computer too and make it run better. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for coming. Thank you, Blood. Thank you, everybody that's here. Again, this is Mike Locascio. I help people maintain your computer, repair the computer, and I'll see you in the next video.